Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you a very powerful technique which will help you to get the maximum productivity throughout the day. And this is a very powerful and widely known and used by successful businessmen, entrepreneurs, high productive peoples like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and so many. So this is a one powerful technique of time management, that is time blocking. In this technique you divide your whole day in different parts and you assign a specific time to your every task, and you think, so you don't waste your time in thinking. You have to think and plan what you have to do a day before, so next day morning you have concrete plan in front of you. Don't waste your time, and you put your switch, your mobile phone and you all the disturbing mobile gadgets and all the electronic gadgets on off mode, because nowadays it's very difficult to get completely focused on your work due to a lot of distractions around. People are making noise, you have a lot of phone coming, social media notification coming, so it distracts your work and you are not able to focus completely. When you are completely indulged in your work and suddenly any notification you know pops up, you lose your 40% concentration. So how you can get the maximum benefit and maximum productivity? So by doing this is so powerful. You will be able to get the maximum output, right? You are able to focus completely. So one, you have to do, you have to block a time to every task, and you have to think what task you'll be performing when, and then you would not be using any kind of electronic gadgets with you, in a place where you alone, nobody else. So by doing this you will be able to get maximum output. Thank you so much. Love and respect.